SSPS Educational Studio presents NEET Re-Exam 2025 Chemistry. Question number 1. The correct decreasing order of atomic radii in picometer of lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon is. So हमें atomic radii बताना है और decreasing order बताना है, right? So what will be the answer? Think first. So correct answer is 2, that is lithium has highest atomic radii and carbon has least atomic radii. How? Let's see the explanation. The given elements are lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon. Atomic number of lithium is 3, beryllium is 4, boron 5 and carbon 6. As you see, atomic number increases from left to right. It means effective nuclear charge increases. Effective nuclear charge increases means number of proton increases and each proton contains positive charge. So effective nuclear charge increases. And if effective nuclear charge increases, it attracts the outermost electrons. So atomic radii decreases with increase in effective nuclear charge. Hence, the correct decreasing order of atomic radii in picometer will be lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any comment and want to join to learn chemistry, let me know in the comment box.